I'm gonna show you how to deposit cash or checks through your ATM, Bank of America. It's really simple to do. And before we get started, I would like for you to subscribe to my channel, also like this video, and turn on your notify and share. Okay, let's get started. It's real simple to do. First, you want to take your card and you want to put the chip side in first. Once you do this, it's going to go through the process and it's going to ask you for your 4-digit PIN. And once you enter your PIN, it's going to ask what you want to do next. So we're going to make a deposit. So you click on the deposit. You can do checks or cash. We're going to do cash. So we're going to enter $136. One of each bill, 100, a 20, a 10, 5, and a 1. As you can see, it's going through the process of depositing this cash. And you notice that it said it could take 75 bills at a time. And this 10 didn't go through. So the only thing you want to do is hit the add cash again and put that 10 in. And usually the second or third time it'll take it. But if it don't, you may have a bad bill. So as you see, it's going through the process. You know that it deposited. So I got $136, and it tells you of each denomination, one of each. So now you can add more, or you could just hit complete deposit. Once you complete the deposit, it's going to spit out your card so you won't forget it. So if you pulls it out, now it asks you how you want your receipt. I'm gonna get mine emailed, or you can have it printed, or either way you want. As you can see, it sent it to my email address. And hit no, you don't want no more transactions, and it's done. That's it.